never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free. Oh, my sweet baby.
Welcome back to another day of baking and cooking and homesteading. Today is one of my days off, so it's a beautiful day. It's about 1:23. I'm gonna let that dough sit for about 3 hours, and I need to run some errands. So the first shop I'm gonna go to is a tea shop, then I'm gonna go tan, and I might pick up some lunch or something. I have to decide what I want to do for dinner. For lunch, I did salad and ham, and I might, honestly, if I'm making this bread, I might just do a turkey sandwich on the bread because that bread is so good. And I had never made this specific bread before. I had done an overnight loaf, but for whatever reason, this loaf that we had yesterday, amazing. So I thought I would make it for myself. My family loved it. And out to the garden we go to check on everything we planted yesterday. The mint is still doing well. It was a little bit wilted yesterday from planting, but it's looking good now. Here's my pepper plant that I need to get into the back bed. And then the 2 herbs we planted look great as well. And all my dogs' tennis balls. Gonna grab this, and I'm gonna grab my hand shovel because there's a couple weeds out there, and let's go. Hi. Okay, I still have like 2 hours until my bread is ready to be molded and put in the oven. So I'm gonna take some electrolyte water with me and we are gonna go run our errands. I have made it, and something that always I love and hate about driving through this part of town is that it's old money. So the houses here in this area are like castles. They're stone, they're brick, they're wood, they're Tudor style. Like, it's old money, it's old styles. It's not like the modern mansion. Like, it is, they are gated and they have huge lawns that are manicured. Like, it's fairy tale. Big ass houses. And I love looking at them, but also it just makes me feel so poor. I mean, I am poor, but I love houses with character and looking at all of that. But damn, I wish I had generational wealth. And just to show you a little bit, this is not a house in front of me. This is a building. This is a church. But like, look how much character is in this church compared to like something you would typically see. So this is the kind of character, and like over there is where I'm going. It's very almost like what is it called? South Carolinian? Is that a word? I don't know, but it's very much character and I love it. I get the feeling it's a good night. Back home, let's check on the bread. Oh good, it rose. I was kind of worried about that. Perfect. 24 more minutes.
From St. Louis, headed for the coast. No telling when or if you're coming home. And half the time you knew me, you were out there on the road. It's a wonder that we've come this far at all. When the heather's blooming on the mountainside and the north wind blows across the Great Divide, won't you tell me what it's like underneath that west?
Okay, so since I have no self-control, after we make this bread, and actually I think because that has about 10 minutes left, with the lid on, and then we have to take the lid off for 10 minutes, so total of 20. I think when that's cooking and everything, I'm gonna go ahead and make a batch of puppy chow. And I have not had puppy chow in a very long time, and this is gonna be what we're doing. So let's just add more dishes and dirt and everything that I just cleaned up to the mix. And here is the finished product. I absolutely think it was beautiful. There is chocolate everywhere now, and I burned the crap out of my hand because I thought it was a good decision because I was making a double batch. So I would separate, I would do like half in a bowl, half in a bag, and I wasn't liking the results, so I went in with my hand. And I thought it was a good idea to put chocolate in the microwave and then touch it and coat my hands with it. And I'm really hoping I don't get a blister. Dang. Yeah, so when that happened, I went AWOL, didn't care. Chocolate got everywhere. And so this kitchen is needing a cleanup, but would you like to see the puppy chow I did get? Isn't she pretty? She is pretty. I don't like these big like clumps. I like just like the individual pieces, but that's the best I could do today. The best I could do.